Hello everyone. Today we will be seeing computer science previous year question paper, and before that I would like you to give a thumbs up, share the video to your friends and subscribe to the channel. So let's see what are the questions available here. First question is, name the header files to which the following built-in functions belong. So it is a 1 mark question. You can see here half marks goes to this and half marks goes to the second part. So this we have already seen. This topic we have already seen. Getch, both getch and getch uses the header file conio.h. Okay, so next question is digit. So for this function is digit we have to use ctype.h. This are already discussed in the chapter functions. Next question is, for an integer number with assigned value a as 5, write a statement using a conditional operator to check and display whether the number is positive or negative. Again, it is 1 mark question. So you don't have to write the whole program, just you have to write a statement where it says how to do this program. Okay, so first value of the value of a is given as 5, so it can be an integer value. Then you have to write a statement which includes your conditional operator, what condition you are going to use. So you can write as, if a greater than 0, it will be a positive number, and if it is else, put it inside a less than 0, it will be a negative number. Put it inside cout. This should be inside cout statement, and this also should be inside cout statement. So you can write a simple program for this statement. So it is a greater than 0. For negative, it will be a less than 0. Okay. If they ask you to write a whole program, please write it down a C++ program of this simple basic positive and negative number program using conditional operator. Third question is again for 1 mark, and it says blank symbol is used to declare a reference variable in C++. So the answer is ampersand. Ampersand is the symbol used to declare a reference variable in C++. Now these two questions are not discussed yet. How is server virtualization different from network virtualization? So let's leave these questions which are not taken by. Other questions are already discussed in your previous videos. The chapters are already taken up. So this is again HTML code. So with this we have not seen yet. So just leave those questions. Next question is, define the following terms. It consists of 2 marks. Here you can see it is of 2 marks. So 1 mark go to this one, and again 1 mark go to this one. So you have to answer in such a way that it is the definition of this particular term. Okay, so first one is data abstraction, which we have already discussed in the OOPS chapter. Data abstraction means only showing the essential details instead of showing everything and everything to the user. So for example, if you want to, for example, if you have got a switchboard, you have to know how to operate using the switchboard. You need not know the circuit that is behind that switchboard. Okay, that is an data abstraction example. Next one is encapsulation, that is wrapping up data and function together in a single unit. Wrapping up data and function, which is already discussed. These are the feature of OOPS concepts, object oriented features. You can find it there in detail. Next program, if you see here, this program is not much clear. It has got so many mistakes here. it doesn't convey the proper essential meaning of this program. You can see here an if is used and else is used inside the bracket, so we have got some errors here and the meaning of that program is not clear. Okay, so again else if is used here, so what it exactly means, that is not clear in this portion. Then comes else and here no equal to is there, so theoretically this is written, it's a wrong program, and what is the objective, that also is not clear here, and all you can see so many mistakes. So let's skip this program, and what do they mean, it's not clear here. So let's check the next programs. Next question is, answer the following question. Give any difference between prefix and postfix operators, give one example of each. That is the first part, and the other part is using break statement and exit statement. Difference you have to say, and also you have to give an example in C++. Okay, so let's see this question. Both contains 2 marks, 2 into 2, that means 2 questions are there, both contains 2 marks. So let's discuss this. So example of prefix and postfix operator. So prefix operator means you will be using before the operand. Any operand is there, you will be using before that operand, is known as prefix operator. Postfix means using the operator after the operand. Okay, so these are the 2 examples. Like if I say plus plus a is prefix operator and a plus plus is a postfix operator, or you can say minus minus a is prefix, a minus minus is postfix. So this is an example. Now next one is break statement and exit statement, and what is the difference between their behavior. Both are used to come out of something, come out of a loop in case of break statement, and exit function help to come out of the program itself. Wherever you see this exit statement, the program terminates right there, and it uses stdlib header file. Okay, the header file used for this one is stdlib. So usually when you use a break statement for switch case and all, you can use break statement after each case, so that after executing a statement, it will come out of the loop. Next program, you can write a simple C++ program using break and exit. Okay, next is a C++ program where you have to find the output of this. So in this program, you are given with 2 values here. This is a global variable, you can say, and interchange is a function. Something is happening inside the function with some arguments here, and this is the main function. So execution starts with main function, and then these 2 are again values which are local to this main local functions, and then here you can see it has to be displayed in this manner. Okay, so you are using the scope resolution operator to call the function from the previous place, this global one, and then interchange function is used. Okay, and again you are using a scope resolution operator here and display the value of x. The scope resolution operator is there, and let's see what is the output of this one by executing the program. You can see here the program is right here, and then if you run it, the output will be 20, 30, 15 and 40. So if you see here, first whatever is displayed is x is displayed as 20, that is, this is the value that is being displayed here. It is scope resolution operator of y, so that means it is taking the value of this y. Okay, so that is displayed here. Next one is after interchanging the values. Okay, the values gets interchanged and then you will be getting some other values, and then the next time when it is displayed, the value of is used as scope resolution operator is being used, and 15 is displayed, and here for y 40 is displayed. Okay, so this is the use of this operator. So output should be 20, 30, 15 and 40. That is the question. Is not yet covered. This comes under the structure portion. This is not yet covered. This question is also not covered. These are SQL statements. This is also not covered yet. These are simple ones, but then you have to know the syntax of all the queries. And next question is identifying the error, rewrite the corrected code and underline the corrections. Okay, so it again contains 2 marks question, and you have to find the errors in this case. So rewrite the corrected code and find out the output. So let's if you see here, this is the name of a keyword. You can change the double to something else. Okay, and error is it, no space should be there here, and you have to write this val into 2. It's not working otherwise, and then cout should have the other operator, that is this extraction operator. Okay, cout with this operator it should come. These are the basic errors, and then now let's execute it and see what are the corrected code. You see here again one more error. I think a val double with some argument has to be used. So here nothing was there. You can substitute it with the value. Okay, so I have made the changes here. You can refer to this code, and then after executing you are getting an output as 36. Okay, so this is the answer. Just check the code from here. Next question is again from the chapter which we have not learned yet, and then this chapter also we have not learned this topic. Let's go to the next question. This question also is a program which we have not learned. These are the topics which we have not discussed yet, both 19 and 20. And this is a switch statement which we have done. Now let's see what is the output of this one. So if you see this program, it is a simple basic if statements programs where you are given with one condition and operator and second condition. Since here it is using if statement, if else statement, it has different options, but now they are telling us to convert it to switch statement. So switch statement, as you know, switch, you have to know the value of any value you have to enter from the user side, put it inside the case, and then write the statements, use a break so that it doesn't repeatedly type the same thing, case 2 and then case any, and so many cases which you want to include. So you have to give 1 2 3 4 5 6 cases, and the rest which comes under else you can put it inside default statement. So default, and then write the default statement and again give a break here. Okay, so let's put it inside a C++ program. Let's check here output. So I've done this same program. For odd you have 2 conditions, even you have 2 conditions, prime you have 2 conditions. Let's check the output. It's telling us to enter a value. Now I'm entering any value which is not here, so 27 I'm giving. So when you enter 27, not a specified number is coming because of the default. Now let's run again and check with the available options. If I enter 15 or 21, I'm entering 21 now, so its output should come as odd number. Okay, seeing this case. So it is odd number. If any of these two numbers you give, it should come as odd number. Let's check with an even number option. It is 12 or 24. So I'm giving 24. Even number is displayed. Next is 11 or 17 for prime number. So this time I'm giving 11. And then output is prime number. And if I give any option which is not there available, it should display not a specified number. So this program is working. If you see here, I have written a cout message here, and also the value I have read it through the keyboard using cin. So this is also very important. Next question is how many times string hello will be printed on the screen if this is the code. Okay, so if this is the code, how many times this will be printed? So if here it is written as 0, so it should be none of the time. So let's check the output here. Run the program. You have to use a bracket here. Run it again. So nothing is displayed. Okay. So according to this program, if it is 0 here, nothing will be displayed. Let's change it to 1 and check what is the output. It's coming so many times. The output is coming so many times. Let's stop the program. Next question is give the difference between getch and getchar. This already we have discussed, which is for 1 mark. Both half marks for this and this. Both are similar character, like similar functions, where this getch doesn't wait for the enter key to enter. It just blinks. So already we have discussed this in detail in the previous videos. Okay, just go through that if you want to get in detail what these are and how does this work. Next question again is not discussed chapter, and this one is again not discussed chapter. This is also not a discussed chapter, and this again comes under HTML topic. So these are all not discussed. So by this your previous year question paper is being discussed with all the chapters that you have covered. So again I am saying please subscribe to the channel, put a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that it will be useful for them too. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.